Let's roast a leg of lamb. First, we need coriander. Add it into the food processor.
2 cloves of garlic, just drop it in the processor.
And blend it. Add it into a bowl. Olive oil. White pepper. Ginger. Paprika. Turmeric. Salt. Saffron. Add the saffron in hot water and then pour it. Mix that. Now we need to square the beast.
This is the back door.
Drop the meat in and apply the marinade. Make sure it penetrates well. Let it marinate for a bit. We need some foil. Drop it into a baking tray. Into the oven for at least 1 hour and a half. After 2 hours, put some butter and put it back in for 10 minutes. Bismillah.